Another day, another dollar. Right lads, here we are. Fucking hell. Recording. Fucking definitely not 18 degrees, I'll tell you that for nothing. I've got the media mod finally. I was messing around with mic adapters and this and that, you know, but hopefully the media, I don't know why I didn't just buy the media mod in the first place, you know. I saw a lot of reviews saying the media mod's not good, the media mod's this, and so I guess it was all quite established YouTubers and videographers and stuff, you know, so I just thought, oh, they must be right, kind of thing. But since I've got it, I think it's a lot more smoother, you know. Before I had a bloody mic adapter, and then I had a mic adapter, but it was kind of attached to the side of my helmet, and it was just a bit clunky, you know. And then for some reason the quick capture wouldn't work when you just press record, so I was having to like turn on a GoPro, start recording, then attach the mic, and this is just bloody click and glow, click and glow. Oh, can't even speak. Click and go. Ay, ay, ay. So it seems to be a bit more seamless. Oh, sorry if I'm sniffling. It's a bit chilly this evening. A few tourists about. We are in the midst of lockdown 3.0. I am on the way to work, but I'm sneakily stopping by at Day and Easy. I bought a new jacket. What else did I buy? Trousers, yeah, sorry. So that's what I'm going back, is to replace the trousers that I bought. Yeah, like I said, I'm still working out stuff with the views and the sound stuff. The last couple videos were a bit like cut off. There was like some black bars along the side of it, the last video, which didn't look the best, but you know, I'm trying. Experimental. Doing a bit here, doing a bit there, trying with the, you know, set up cameras and this and that. So I've missed riding. The last few days it was pissing down, and you know, I just didn't feel like it. So the last few days I haven't been riding. Actually, I usually do ride in the rain, but I was waiting to get these I was waiting to get these Gore-Tex. I got the Gore-Tex jacket, it fit perfectly, but for some reason the trousers, they're a bit loose. Oh, not what we want, is it, lads? Oh, that's pretty cool. Shout out the NHS. You can see that, hopefully you can. Pretty cool. Shout out the NHS, man, they're keeping this bloody country going at the minute. I've stayed at that hotel as well, it's a bloody nice hotel. Sea containers, yeah, it's really nice. Do love this bike, you know, it sounds so bloody good. Woo! Oh, someone just get flashed up there, like. Cheers, mate. I love it when they actually let you pass, like, fair bloody play to them, like. It's a big old truck. Oh, a couple of the boys. There's one place you don't want to be on the inside of them big things, I'll tell you that. Just right in his mirror so he can see me. And I'm 5 minutes away. I don't usually ride with the old sat nav. I bought this Garmin Zumo and it's a really great sat nav, but it's bloody massive. It's like almost bigger than my bloody screen, like. Past this truck. Come on, lads, let's make it this time. That bloody truck at least. Come on, you tosspot, move over, move over. Jesus. Oh, caught every bloody light.